the push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. He has done so very much for me.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 you know I've been waiting. But will you wait for me?
Any day, I'm sick and tired of me talking about Radiant Creamy Concealer. But today's not that day. We're going to be using the Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Mauve or Amande, whatever.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If anything at the beginning of the video you could relate to, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install, melt down, and slay a wig in 5 minutes. If your mornings look anything like mine, you don't have a lot of time and energy to put into your hair because you spend so much time doing everything else, girl. So I'm going to show you all how to do it easy with this beautiful autumn unit from Hairvivi. Their units are really great because they come with all of the work done for you. Alright, so let's get into the cap construction. This unit comes with 3 combs on the inside, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and there's also a longer comb at the bottom. But my favorite feature is the elastic band, and I really like this one because you can adjust it. So when you're wig shopping, ladies, look for a wig that has an elastic band, especially one with the adjustable component. This is going to be great for the woman on the go. So if you want to put your wig on really quickly and not have to use gossipy glue and other adhesives, this is definitely going to be a game changer for you. Another component that I love about this unit, and that's really going to be a time saver, is that it is already pre-styled. It comes with these beautiful waves that are sure to have people thinking that you spent hours in the mirror curling your hair when it really only took you 5 minutes to just put this unit on. And how absolutely stunning is this color? I've tried to dye hair burgundy before, but having a unit that already comes colored that way is phenomenal. The color is so rich and vibrant. It's perfect for the holidays, y'all. This unit has been lightly bleached, and I love that they only did it lightly because it allows me to just do some minor things to refine the parting and everything, and it can be quick and easy. So I'm going to go about doing the Sally Hansen method, and this elastic band comes in handy because I don't have to use T-pins or anything to hold the unit down for security while going through this process. Or if I was plucking the unit, the elastic band gives you a great deal of security around your mannequin head, so you don't need anything else. For those who have not seen me use this method, you merely just have to spray on the airbrush spray, and I'm using color deep brown, and then using a foundation brush, you just stipple it onto the lace. It's really fast, nothing serious. So you're just going to turn it back over, and you can see that the unit is now tinted and the parting looks so much better. Now, in case you're wondering, this method does also help to conceal the black dots, but I generally use it whether the unit has been bleached or not. So after you've done that, you're just going to wipe away any of the excess spray that may have gotten on the hair. So I'm just doing that with a makeup wipe. I'm gonna clean up the part just a bit, and then I'm gonna proceed to take it a step further using my loose face powder in order to refine the part even more. When this process is complete, you can stop here, but I like to make sure that the area near the parting lays really flat. So I like to use my mousse around the part and also near the front hairline just to get everything nice and sleek. And then I'm going to proceed to cut some baby hairs, but that is an optional step. And then we're going to be ready to put it on our head. My cap size for this unit is in a size medium. The parting space is 5.5 parting. It is Indian virgin hair. It's 150% density, and it is in length 18. Now that we've done minor prep work, after putting your makeup on and allowing the hair to dry, you simply need to just cut off the excess lace in the front and be prepared to whip your hair back and forth. Another new thing that I want to share with you guys, not really new but new to me, is the wig grip. Y'all, this thing will have your wig in place. It will have it not sliding or moving anywhere. Y'all have to try it. I found mine on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description box for you guys. You just want to put your unit on, make sure that you conceal where the wig grip is, and y'all, you can move your hair all over. You could rock out at a concert. Girl, you could go to a holiday party and dance the night away, and this wig will not go anywhere. It's so beautifully styled and so convenient, really, really glam. I just love that about this unit. Another cool thing is that if you wanted to wear a side part, you wouldn't have to use a comb to actually part it and then recurl. All you need to do is just shift the unit and you have a side part that looks really, really awesome. I do want to show you all my outfit. This hair complements this dress so well. I'm wearing a dress from Boohoo, and it does have veil sleeves, which is really, really a great option for a holiday party. This dress is a bit large for me. I wish I had gotten it in a size 8, but I got a size 10 because that's generally what I wear. But just keep that in mind. You can just go down maybe one size for this particular look and it would fit perfectly. This is how long the hair is. And y'all, at the end of the day, guess what? You can easily take this thing off and relax. Problem solved. Thank me later. Leave a comment. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Happy holidays. See you all in the next one. Bye, guys.